Yo, what's going on YouTube? Back with another video today. So today we actually got another product install. Y'all can tell by the video title and everything like that. But you're actually gonna be installing the TBW skid tray, under tray replacement. Y'all get the gist of it. Keep it though. Got the STI logo. I've been needing to do this but yeah, this is a special one because it's not the original one. It's actually meant for the IAG oil pan. So for those who don't know, I actually do have the upgraded IAG oil pan with the pickup tube and everything like that. And I'm not gonna lie, it's so much easier to change the oil because it just drops straight down. But I hate taking off the under tray every single time. You gotta take it off and put it back on, take it off, put it back on. So this will make it a lot easier. But with that, we're actually gonna also change this to make it my life a little harder. We will be taking that front brace bar off, painting it white, just with some spray paint to match the wheels. Don't look at the wheels, guys, it's cooked. I've been driving, it's cooked, so much brake dust. We're gonna take it off and paint it white because the red's cool and all, but let's say in the future, let's say I wrap my car purple or like some other color or whatever color I wrap it. With the black is cool right now because it has all the accents, but let's say in the future, let's say pink. If I wrap the car pink in the future, you got a front red brace bar is kind of off, so with the white it would match with, like, if I get a new wheel set up or whatever, it'll still match. So let's go ahead and get started with it. I would have started this earlier, but we had some difficulties and I got to work a lot later, so better late than never. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and jack the car up because I'm just gonna go ahead and do a tire rotation, a wheel rotation. Usually like to do mine 1,000 since I just don't want it to wear down evenly. So I'm gonna go ahead and jack the whole car up and I'll get back to you. My wheels are all off. Let's go ahead and take off the front bumper and take the bar off and get it ready for painting. And then in between coats, I'm gonna go ahead and install the under tray. Update, bar is off. I'm gonna go ahead and sand this down and then probably shoot a layer of white on top. And I'll get back to you when that is done. Look at the garage, it's a mess. I'll go ahead. I'm telling you, I need a pair of quick jacks, bro. This will make my life so much easier. It's cool though. I'm gonna go ahead and sand this down and paint it white. All right, first coat is done. I'm gonna go ahead and start on the under tray over there. Also, I'm gonna do a step-by-step install. I actually will link the video right here in this top right corner from my YouTuber Cars with Junior. He actually did a pretty good video, very detailed and everything. We'll link it right here. If y'all don't need the instructions, y'all need to check that. I'm gonna go ahead and just, not like time lapse, I'm gonna cut in from parts, show you that what parts when what's done. But I'm most likely, my game plan is, I do know that this long piece and that is connected, obviously, and they're all connected, but I'm gonna start with the two winglet parts. Actually, I gotta take off the under tray first. Then I'm actually gonna start with that, and then I have to do another coat, and then do this section, then do another coat, and then do this. So we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off though. All right, under tray is off. Just did the second coat on that. And here's proof for y'all who don't believe me that I don't have the IAG oil pan right there. Wish I had some headers though. But we'll go ahead, start with the under tray. All right, I got the two winglet pieces on. And I flipped that over. I already did a little coat right here. Go ahead and show you. Go ahead and finish this up. And then we're gonna move on to the front piece and then the big boy piece right there. Hey guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish that bar because I can't even install this until I put the front bumper back on. So go ahead and just clear coat all that, let it dry, and then get this installed. In the meantime, letting that dry, which I've already put on the car now. Fix this up, switch the wheels, fix my exhaust leak that I had. And I changed the dampening a little bit. I want to see if there's a way for me to lower the rear so I can actually match with the front. I want it to be a little lower. But here's the white bar right there. Looks pretty good. We'll see later. We're gonna see a little sneak peek with the wheels and the bar. Let's go ahead and snap this bumper on so we can put on that and then finish with everything. Those who are wondering, I actually took a 600 grit sandpaper and scuffed down the whole bar and everything like that. They wiped it down with acetone. Then I did about 2 to 3 coats of white. I did a very light coat and 2 heavy coats to get that super gloss. Then I did 2 coats of gloss clear on top of that. So that's just for people who are wondering. Right now, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm really debating on changing the STI badges, like the front and rear, to the white because it'll match with the lighting slash bar slash wheels. But we'll see about that. But anyways, let's go ahead and slap this bumper back on. It's hot outside. It's hot as hell outside right now. I got that big ass fan blow. I know y'all can hear in the audio, but it's hot. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. All right, before I show y'all the bar, you see a little sneak peek right there. Bumper's fully on. Look at how much more it pops now with the white, bro. Man, I wish that badge was more red. And I'll be so happy with this. It's gonna look so good with the lights and everything. Ugh. Yeah, white was definitely the move. I don't know why I bought red in the first place. Check with the wheels. I can't really get y'all. Yeah, so much better. But let's go ahead and get this Undertray on. This, I'm gonna say it again, it's hot. Also, I timed myself and I put this whole bumper on by myself in about 4 minutes. So imagine that with a Type R. Here, I'll show y'all. This is all it took. So you got a little push clip on each side of the wheel well. Two clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts. And the rest are clips under. Also, I haven't put those in yet. But I swear, the STI WX bumper, at least for my generator, I haven't tried on the other ones. I kid you not, it is 1,000 times easier than the Type R bumper. Like, I want to say it once, I want to say it again. I tell them say I'm hating it, I don't care. It is so much easier. But whatever, enough yapping, everything like that. Let's go ahead and get this Undertray on. Ready, guys, Undertray's fully on. I had to take out 2 screws for this front lip right here, but other than that, everything's all good. Everything's all tight right here. But I want to check to see if it actually does clear the oil pan drain plug. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off, and I'm gonna show y'all. Door just shut lock, and boom, right there. So this really is meant for the IAG, because I didn't know for the Killer B with the normal stock oil pan, it like wouldn't sit correctly with it. That's pretty cool. And that's gonna make oil changes a lot easier. And then the oil filter is right here, which I'm not gonna open because I think this sits the same for all makes around. So it's just mainly this drain plug right here. But yep, the car is all done. Also, I just had to fix up some small stuff. Nothing content worthy to show y'all, because it'd just be boring. Those shoes are the main thing, painting the white bar, getting the Undertray on. Go ahead and lower this car, take it out, and then clean up, and then I'm gonna show you what the front brakes looks like with that, and then see if you can see it with the car under. Alrighty guys, some bad lighting, but I should get the gist. In my opinion, it does pop more, but it's all part of the future plan. Y'all will see in the future. Just have an open mind. I'll go ahead and flip the camera and show you them. Here's what it looks like with the white bar, white wheels. Trust me guys, it's all part of the future build, trust. Only thing is the red, that's not STI logo, kind of a sore thumb, in my opinion. But they don't cook those wheels on. Jesus, crazy, bro. Yeah, overall, I actually do like it. It does pop a lot more. It's just missing something, and I know what that something is. Just wait, guys, just wait. But I'm gonna end the video off here. If y'all did like the video, make sure y'all go down, like, subscribe, help your boy out. It's because I'm gonna need some quick jacks. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I really do need to put the money down for a pair of quick jacks for Tim and I, because it'll make our life so much easier. Jacks are cool and all, but quick jacks is where it's at. But I really do appreciate y'all. I will have everything linked down below. I'll have the brace bar link as well, and the Undertray. And huge shout out to TBW. They didn't send it out, no, I bought full price, but just shout out to them. But I'm gonna catch y'all later, and I'll see you on the next video.